Have you ever wondered what makes a house not just a building, but a home that adapts to modern living? Right here at 1227 11th Street North in Lake Park, we're exploring a cutting-edge 4,300 square foot residence that's redefining comfort and style in this beautiful coastal city. Join us with Cameron Rahi, Greg Chevalier, and our team as we walk through this 5-bedroom masterpiece. This showcases its innovative design that harmonizes beautifully with the Naples neighborhood. From its thoughtful southern exposure to the unique approach in its construction, discover how this home stands apart with its seamless blend of function and elegance. Stay with us as we unravel the story behind this remarkable project.
Well, we've got a 4,230 square foot house, 5-bedroom plus a den. Some unique features of this house are we brought a whole team together and decided what would kind of work best on the property, the street, the neighborhood, and kind of took a unique approach where we could take advantage of the southern exposure here on the side and orient the great room, the kitchen, the lanai, the pool, all on this southern portion of the property, which has been I think one of the most unique things of this property. One of the other things that we were able to do here, which doesn't occur in the city of Naples anymore, is the garage floor is not recessed like most houses here where we have steps coming into the house. It's basically a single 4-inch or 6-inch step like a typical house, and that's very unique in the city of Naples nowadays.
Nowadays all the homes are elevated so much, it's something that people are becoming accustomed to, and it's not as comfortable as being able just to step right up into your house.
One of the other main advantages of keeping the garage up is it's actually basically at base flood elevation, whereas nowadays most of the garages are below base flood elevation and you have to have flood vents. So in the event of a really severe flood, all of your contents in the garage could potentially be ruined, whereas here we're basically up above the floodplain. We had quite a bit of pushback from the city, so we had to talk to the building official, the assistant deputy official, and basically walk them through the stormwater management plan for this property to show them how we were going to manage all of the on-site water to not affect the adjacent properties in order for them to allow us to do what we did. It's quite a feat of engineering to put this house together, so it's not your typical just block house. Lots of concrete poured columns, continuous concrete tie beam, structural steel, glue lambs and LVLs. There's a lot of stuff going into the structure to achieve the spans that we achieve, to not have columns breaking up the house. Right. So we're basically at the stage where we're ready to pour the first beam. Trusses are getting delivered in the next few days, and we'll start putting floor trusses on and ready to go to the second floor and then the roof.
We just started going vertical recently, as you can see, so the block's up, we're forming the tie beam. So what you're seeing there is going to be the height of the ceiling on the first floor, so quite dramatic when you walk in here. And 12-foot ceilings, it's going to be wide open and quite a living space. This is the time when things really start to take shape and you see what's on the plans come to life. So after we pour these beams, we'll start building the second floor, walls going up, roof going up, and it's going to look like a complete structure. South Florida Architecture did the design. We've had input from multiple interior designers. It's been a great resource. R&Co, Van Eliza Design worked on it with us, and it's been a great collaboration to get to where we're at.
It's definitely designed for the way modern families live, not just in Florida, but anywhere. It's, you know, you walk in, it's just wide open. It feels twice the size that it really is. And it is a big house to begin with. And I think functional layout just works really well. We've got a study up here that just flows and opens up into the dining room, the kitchen, the great room, all of which feed out into the lanai. We've got a beautiful mother-in-law VIP suite up here.
And that was a priority to get a second bedroom downstairs, right?
Correct,
If Grandma and Grandpa are visiting, so they don't have stairs.
Which is fantastic. They have direct access out to the lanai and the pool, so they've got kind of a private access. They want to go out, you know, to the spa at night or things like that. I think is one of the really cool features of downstairs. And the master, basically the whole back of the house is just everything you could want in a master bedroom, bath, closet combination nowadays. We've checked every box back there. Again, just opening up into the kitchen, which has a unique pantry that's completely built out with cabinetry. We've got appliance, barn basically in there. It's a really cool thing where you can open up the pantry and have it connected to the kitchen. The same kitchen cabinets flow into the pantry, or you can close it off and treat it as a pantry if you want to be messy and all of that kind of stuff.
This island opens out, you're looking out on your pool, you have this beautiful bar here. That's gonna be walnut, just gorgeous, and it's gonna be a great entertaining space, a great living space. If you have children, they have their own wing upstairs, play games and have their friends over there and kind of be in their own element. So it's a great living house.